how to join UFL Football. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually join UFL Football easily. UFL is a brand new and recently announced football game that you can play absolutely for free on consoles. So if you do have PlayStation or Xbox, you can simply visit uflgame.com, and from there you can simply go to download now tab and choose your console. If you do have a PS5, you can simply go to PS5 tab. From here you need to log in or sign in to the PlayStation Store, and from there on you would be able to download the game easily. For the Xbox users, tap on download now and choose the Xbox platform. From here, sign in to your Xbox account or Xbox Store, and after that you would be able to download the game on your console for free. But unfortunately for PC users, the game is not available to download on PC yet. The developer team has announced that they are working on to make the game accessible on the PC too, but it is not announced yet. So this is the simplest method on joining UFL Football. You just got to go to website, and from there choose your console platform. From there sign in to your consoles or the platforms, and from the official store you can download UFL Football for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.